Okay, so hi honeys, how are you? TANYANISHAILOC here, and of course, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope that you are fine, amazing, popping. Welcome back to another vlog. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna be sharing 5 different side hustle businesses to actually make you real cash every week besides your full-time job. These different side hustle businesses I'm gonna be sharing actually you can make over 300,000 Ugandan shillings. That is approximately 83 US dollars and around 64 pound sterling every week. Are you kidding me? Every week. So if the first one actually does not work for you, I believe the fifth one might work for you. So stay around and I share all of them, and we also don't forget to discuss any added side hustle you can do here in Kampala, Uganda, in the comment section below, because a lot of us actually will be very interested to also see your view. But before that, if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm TANYANISHAILOC. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share out with friends and family, and let us just dive into the first one right now. This brings me to the first business side hustle idea I want to share with you today. This is all about online tutorship or consultant tutorship. So if you don't know this, as the Western world is evolving more and more, we are actually receiving those different vibrations here in Uganda and a lot of other developing African countries. So this business in particular, actually it was very known, especially when it comes to the Western world, but also this business has actually extended here, particularly in East Africa and in Uganda. So if you have a skill that you can actually teach, especially online, bring it to beauty classes, bring it to you're a video editor, you're a photo editor, you can teach someone how to actually bake and cook and do all those other different stuff online. It is jackpot for you. I always advise a person who has a full-time job to do such a business, especially in the evening when you have a little bit of free time, when you can actually sit down in front of your computer or your phone, teach your students about how to actually blend foundation, how to actually bake, how to actually do simple mechanic stuff. It is jackpot for you. Most of the time, if you don't have money to go in and develop an application, they can actually send money through your Airtel money, and you can actually go on to teach them either through Zoom, you can actually teach them through Google Health or Google Meetings and a lot of other different ways. Currently also, I know of a person who has actually been doing this, but specifically for hair, and once in a while her students, they collect up to do physical touch on one by one with her. But most of the time all her classes are online because she has a full-time job and she only gets time in the evening to teach her students how to grip hair when you are doing box braids, how to do Ghanaian braids on their dummies. This actually brings me to the second business idea. This is all about establishing up a cleaning business, even without a location. So let me tell you about this business. So you can get employees. You can get employees and you can source out for different companies, factories, schools, offices that are actually looking for different cleaners, and you are the middleman in order to bring them those cleaning services through the people you did hire. Yes, and a lot of them currently here in Uganda, especially when it comes to the capital of Uganda, that is Kampala, a lot of different offices, a lot of different factories, a lot of different, establishments are actually looking out for cleaners, especially when it comes to weekends. So if you have the ability to collect people, who are willing to clean, to work, take them to those different locations, they clean those different offices, the factories, they clean the roads, and the bosses that you actually did do a contract with pay you, and you of course pay your employees, you are going to be able to remain with a good chunk of money or profit. And it's a good business, I believe, to also start, especially when you want a side hustle. You are working from Monday to Friday and you have Saturday and Sunday as your off days. Guys, those 2 days are enough. Saturday and Sunday, if you are very keen and you have been actually passing in Kampala, especially those 2 days, you are going to find out that those are the 2 different days that a lot of cleaners are cleaning different streets banks, different offices, different malls, and they are doing serious cleaning, like scrubbing the glasses, scrubbing the pavers. And most of the time I did realize that those people who are doing that type of work, they are actually not on permanent jobs, but they are brought in by a particular person who actually gets a contract to bring them work, and that person pays them. The third side hustle business that you can actually do and get a little bit much more coin admission to your full-time job. This is all about social media. So I believe that social media is not something new, that this is not the first time actually you are hearing social media, that it's a full-time business. The reason why I love social media so much is because it gives you the time to do your own things at your own pace, and yet you are earning. There is YouTube, there is TikTok, there is Instagram, a lot of other different social media platforms. If you have the ability to put good quality content on those different social media platforms, with time, I promise you are going to be able to monetize them and you'll be able to earn from them. Online beauty shop. I've been a very, 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 big person when it comes to campaigning for young people around my age to start up a beauty shop. This business actually works. Business dollar. Yes, if you don't have a permanent location, go in and start a business, a beauty shop on WhatsApp, a beauty shop on Instagram, a beauty shop on a lot of different applications. Currently, you can actually do download on the Play Store app. The easiest way it is to go in, especially when you have around 200,000 Uganda shillings, that money is enough for you to actually start up an online beauty shop. Buy lip balms, buy lip pencils, buy foundation, all those few different things. Take good quality pictures of them, post them on the WhatsApp statuses, and you will see that even amongst your friends, you are going to get people who are actually telling you, bring me this, bring me that, at what price can you be able to set to bring me this particular thing, which even you don't have, And if you don't have something and I'm going to be able to go out, purchase it for you, girl, I'm going to give it for you at a slightly bigger price so that I can get my commission. Representing companies that need a little bit of promotion. So here in Kampala, Uganda, I've recently realized that a lot of different companies and businesses honestly need a little bit of promotion, but they don't know how and when and where to find those different big different either influencers, news, or social media platforms that they can actually use to promote their businesses. So you can actually be the middleman between me, the person who owns that particular business, and a particular social media influencer. Be the middleman between me, the person who needs my company promoted, with another, mass media, companies such as Bukede, NBS, those different big companies. I'm very, very sure that you are going to be able to earn a little bit a higher commission, because you acted as a middleman between that particular small business and the big mass media company. Mobile service provision, either you are a hairdresser, either you are a mobile technician, either you are a car mechanical, boda technician, either you are a makeup artist, this calls in for you. So I know a lot of people who are actually doing different full-time businesses that actually they never studied at school. Full stop period. But they know how to do hair, they know how to do simple mechanics when it comes to phones, when it comes to cars, when it comes to boda. It's a matter of fact of using LinkedIn. It is very, very easy to actually set up a platform and be able to write in all your information, what services you can provide, and customers are going to actually look for you like a hot cake. Even if you cannot actually use the application, you can use your WhatsApp. As entrepreneurs, I always say this. Our main aim is to provide either a service or a particular, quality of a good to our customers. So our WhatsApp statuses or Instagram, whatsoever the case may be, they are very, very good platforms to actually put in the the service you can provide, your number, your email, such information, and people are going to be looking for you. A lot of people currently in my region here are looking out for people who can do their hair from their homes. They are looking out for mechanics who can come into their, their compound, do their cars without actually driving this, slightly diseased car into the garage. If you know a particular service, it is going to be a jackpot for you, because you are going to always and always be looked out for in order to provide that particular service. So you guys, actually that brings me to the end of this particular vlog. I hope that you have learned a thing or two, and if you have any other added side hustle business that you can actually do in Kampala, Uganda, or any region of the world, leave them in the comment section below. Not only me, a lot of us will be actually very, very, very absolutely happy to know about them. If they are tryable, I can also try them out and tell you guys in some month to come, were they successful or not successful, and all that other gist. Thank you very, very absolutely much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share out with friends and family. Let me meet you in my next one. TANYANISHAILOC switching out. Bye for now.